Like the attention, girl, I know you. But you're everything I want in life. We're fighting danger like kung fu. The love I feel is deep inside. The others don't matter. It's honestly us against the world. We're the perfect team. You're my dream, and I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. If you ever need a helper, you should know that I'll be there day and night. Nobody else can love you better. I'm here just to treat you right. You're the reason I'm alive. You're the only pain I can endure. And when you're not here, you're my dream, but I just want it. Yeah, I just want it. You're my dream, but I just want it. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. To myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. Can't get to myself. But I just want it.
Deep inside, I knew from the start, you my bunny, I'm your Clark. From now to eternity, I give you all my heart. We are meant to be, it's clear to see. My love is bigger than I thought. I got everything I want when I hold you with my arms. The others don't matter, my love and my pleasure, the key to my treasure. Whatever's the weather, day up and out with you till I die. How many times for you I'ma try? Want you to notice the one and I know this. Perfect soulmate, I wanna show it. My best friend, she saved my life, my happy end in hard times.
Hug it to myself, hug it to myself, hug it to myself. I just want it. Can't get to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself, to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself. I just want it. Can't get to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself, to myself, can't get to myself, can't get to myself. Oh, baby.
What's up, guys? Right now we're gonna be making a protein shake. I put a lot of shit in my protein shake. So the first thing I put in is 1 cup of oats. So you want to get one of these right here. I'm gonna put one of those. Bam. Second thing you want to put is peanut butter. I like to put 1 tablespoon. I like to put 2 because I'm not gay, so no, I'll put 1 pretty big scoop. We're gonna put that right there. So we got the peanut butter and the oatmeal so far. The next thing you want to put in is a banana. Personally, I like putting a banana in because if you don't, then it tastes like shit. Banana kind of mellows out the flavor a little bit, makes it a little less shit tasting. Boom, you put it in your banana. Next thing you want to do, you put in your strawberries. I like to put strawberries in mine. You can put any kind of fruit, really. It doesn't really matter. I'm going to put in okay, that's enough. Now the final thing you need, and that I like to use personally, is the Mammoth Pump. Is the Mammoth Pump mass gainer. Works really well if you want to put on some mass. You know what it says in the title. Oh shit. Fuck. No, so I'm gonna put 2 scoops here because I'm a fat piece of shit and I need fucking protein. Nah. Put in 2 scoops of mass gainer. Okay guys, now the last thing you want to put is milk. Milk is one of the #1 things you need. So you're gonna put in about a decent amount. Don't want to put too much. There you go, that should be enough. I use lactose-free milk because if I drink actual milk, I'll shit my pants. Now we're just gonna stick this on and blend it. Fuck, I just clicked it, didn't even work. Yeah guys, after you're done that, you blend it up. I just blended it up in my blender there. Boom, we got a nice protein shake. I got that GMC. Sure, shake it up. Boom. Alright guys, I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, leave a like. I decided to switch things up a little bit. I usually don't do workout videos, but I want to do one today. I did a quick shoulder workout. Nothing special, just thought I'd upload something. Anyway, we're growing guys. I'm at almost 6K right now on Instagram. I gained like 1,400 followers in like 4 days, so I'm just grinding. Like I told you guys, I'm gonna be blowing up on social media. Just watch, okay? Anyway guys, I'll see you in the next video. Peace.
She saved my life, my happy end in hard times.